And welcome back for another video. Completely different. It's a video again. If you watched last week, I did a video on a fellow radio arm. He put a book out, A Summit of Dreams. So I did that free for him. I'm not affiliated in any such way. And the same with this particular event. Trying to make this life a bit easier for me. I've just bought this robot cleaner. So yeah, this would be interesting, trying to set this up. Basically you map out your rooms and you send it off, you know, doing its chores. So be interesting. And I've also sent off for this as well, Black Friday deal. So the Pocket 3 camera, which is going to be more for the amateur radio side of things. So this is going to be interesting to learn as well. Acts as a gimbal. You can make it just do static. You can have it as a video cam. Lots and lots of features. So this is going to be another learning curve. And I got the memory card for it. So yeah, interesting times ahead. For an old man trying to do all this new technology. Okay, I'll send 7.3 for now, and we'll catch you in the next one. G0 DTX.